Hi friends, I am Suresh Makineedi. Welcome again to Future Vision. In the last video, I had shown final output of all the 4 Purusharthas which I had prepared in Excel sheet. I had shown how I calculated daily data of all those Purusharthas, and then I had also shown how I had converted the data into Excel charts, so that we can easily visualize them. Here again, I am showing that final output. Now, in this video, I am going to show you if there is any connection between these 4 Purusharthas and Nifty 50 ups and downs. Let me take 4 Purusharthas independently, so that we cannot get confused. Let me first take Dharma trikona values and correlate them to Nifty 50 chart. Have a look at this picture. In this picture, I had superimposed Nifty 50 line chart over Dharma trikona values. This line chart of Nifty 50 chart from year 1997 to year 2021, July. This chart is synchronized with Dharma trikona values of the same period. I had marked values of Dharma trikona in rectangles whenever they had crossed value above 80. This is somewhat similar to overbought zone of RSI indicator. And I had also marked peaks of Nifty 50 in circles. We can see that these is a correlation here between peaks of Nifty 50 and Dharma trikona values over 80. After forming a peak, there is sharp fall. So what can we conclude from these observations for Dharma trikona values over 80 mark? Firstly, we can conclude that whenever Dharma trikona value crosses above 80 mark and stays there for few months, long-term investors should become cautious. They shouldn't hesitate to book profits. Secondly, they should patiently wait for sharp fall so that they can re-enter their favorite stocks at very cheaper price. So when will those stocks become cheapest? We will learn it when study about Artha trikona. Artha trikona. This picture is self-explanatory. We can observe that, whenever Artha trikona values start rising from value 0, and crosses above value of 40 mark, Nifty 50 had bottomed out after oversold. So, those long-term investors, who had booked profits during over values of Dharma trikona, should patiently watch for Artha trikona values to cross above 40 mark. This situation is similar to oversold zone of RSI indicator. So finally, we got some idea when to enter for long-term investment, and then when to exit those positions. Best time to enter long-term investment is when Artha trikona values crosses above 40 mark, and best time for caution and booking profits is when Dharma trikona values crosses above 80 mark. Then, what does Karma and Moksha trikona values suggest? Well, they both suggest continuation of the uptrend. Let's have a look at them. After having close observation over Karma trikona values, we can conclude that whenever Karma trikona value crosses above 80 mark, Nifty 50 had gone into a tight range. After consolidate for few months, it had broken out of that tight range and continued the previous uptrend before crossed below 80 mark. Hence it's a continuation of uptrend. So here, long-term investors should hold their long-term positions. If they want to add more, they can do so, as breakout buying. Now let's see what moksha trikona suggests us. As I mentioned earlier, this also suggests a continuation of previous breakout uptrend. So long-term investors should hold on to their positions during this period. There will be sharp ups and downs, but long-term investors should be very patient and hold on to their long-term positions. As we can see, there are sharp ups and downs during this period, so there are few short-term trading opportunities for positional traders. We will get few pullback entries here. So short traders can enter at these pullbacks whenever moksha trikona value approaches 80 mark and should exit when that value crosses above 100 mark. So that's it all about 4 Purusharthas and their relationship to ups and downs of Nifty 50. Final summary is as follows. After getting clear-cut relationship between 4 Purusharthas and Nifty 50 trends, I had decided to calculate daily values of 4 Purusharthas from year 2020 to year 2040 using my Java program, so that I can see what's there for Nifty 50 in next 20 years. In the next video, I shall try to predict ups and downs for Nifty 50 from year 2020 to 2040. Till then, Suresh Makineedi, signing off now.